In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the education module in ERPNext. We'll walk through this using Frappe Cloud, which is a hosted platform for running ERPNext sites. Before you begin, make sure you're already logged in to your Frappe Cloud account and that you can see your ERPNext site on the dashboard. Once you're ready, let's get started. First, go to your Frappe Cloud dashboard and open the overview page for the ERPNext site, where you want to add the education module. From this overview page, look for the section or tab labeled Apps. This is where you manage which apps or modules are installed on your site. Click on Apps to open the list of applications currently installed, along with the options to add new ones. On the Apps page, you'll see a button that says Install App. This is what you use to add new functionality to your ERPNext site. Go ahead and click on Install App. When you click this, Frappe Cloud will bring up a list of all the apps that are available for installation on your site. In the list of available apps, look for the app named Education. This is the official education module for ERPNext, which adds features for managing students, courses, fee structures, academic terms, and more. If the list is long, you can usually use the search bar on the page and type Education to find it quickly. Once you see the Education app, click on it to select it. After you've clicked on the Education app, you'll be taken to a page with more details about it, along with an option to install. Here, click on the Install button. This doesn't immediately modify your ERPNext site yet. Instead, it sets up the installation job and prepares to apply it to your specific site. Next, you'll see an option labeled Install App on Site. This is the important step where you confirm which ERPNext site you want to install the education module on. Make sure the correct site is selected, especially if you have more than one. Once you've double-checked, click Install App on Site. Frappe Cloud will now process the installation job. After it finishes, the education module will be available in your ERPNext, and you will be able to start setting up programs, courses, and all your education workflows.